Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy, myself LS Nanda. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss the solution of a mathematics question that was asked in one of the shifts of JEE Main 2025 April session exam. This question is based on the topic of complex numbers. It says, if the locus of z belonging to capital C such that real part of z minus 1 whole divided upon 2z plus iota plus real part of z bar minus 1 whole divided upon 2z bar minus iota equal to 2 is a circle of radius r and center a comma b, then 15 into ab whole divided upon r square is equal to. Now students, if I consider the complex number z minus 1 whole divided upon 2z plus iota and find its conjugate, then by using the properties of conjugate of complex number, I can write this as z bar minus 1 bar, and 1 bar is nothing but 1, whole divided upon 2 bar into z bar. So it becomes 2 into z bar plus iota bar. Now iota bar is minus iota, right? So from here, what do we get? We get that this complex number and this complex number, both of them are conjugates of each other. So that means if I consider z minus 1 whole divided upon 2z plus iota equal to L plus iota m, where both L and m are real numbers. That means L is the real part of z minus 1 divided upon 2z plus iota and m is the imaginary part of z minus 1 divided upon 2z plus iota. Then from here I can say that according to the given equation, real part of L plus iota m plus real part of L minus iota m will be equal to 2, right? So from here what do we get? We get L plus L equal to 2 or 2L equal to 2. So that means the value of L or the real part of z minus 1 divided upon 2z plus iota is equal to 1. Right? Now students, we move further. Now students, I have got real part of z minus 1 whole divided upon 2z plus iota equal to 1. And in the question, we have been given that the locus of z is a circle of radius r and center a comma b. Now to find the equation of locus of z, I will put z equal to x plus iota y in this equation, where both x and y are real numbers. Right? Now students, we get real part of x minus 1 plus iota y whole divided upon 2 times of x plus iota y plus iota equal to 1. Now just simplify it. It becomes real part of x minus 1 plus iota y whole divided upon 2x plus iota times inside the bracket 2y plus 1. Now students, to get the real part of this complex number, I am simplifying this complex number by multiplying it up and down by the conjugate of its denominator. That is, I am multiplying up and down by 2x minus iota times 2y plus 1. Right? Now students, we will simplify this expression and find the real part of this complex number and put it equal to 1. Now students, we get real part of 2x square minus 2x plus 2y square plus y plus 2 iota xy minus iota into inside the bracket x minus 1 into inside the bracket 2y plus 1 whole divided upon 4x square plus 2y plus 1 whole square bracket closed equal to 1. Now students, since we are interested in the real part of this complex number written inside the bracket, so the real part of this complex number becomes 2x square minus 2x plus 2y square plus y whole divided upon 4x square plus 2y plus 1 whole square, and this is equal to 1. Now students, from here we get the equation of locus of z, and this comes as 2x square minus 2x plus 2y square plus y equal to 4x square plus 4y square plus 4y plus 1. Now this becomes 2x square plus 2y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Now students, clearly this equation represents a circle. Now we move further, find its radius and center. Now students, just divide this equation by 2 throughout. So the final equation of circle becomes x square plus y square plus x plus 3 upon 2 into y plus 1 upon 2 equal to 0. Now use the formula to find the center and radius of circle. So the coordinates of center are minus 1 upon 2, comma minus 3 upon 4, and the radius of this circle becomes equal to square root of 1 upon 4 plus 9 upon 16 minus 1 upon 2. This is equal to square root of, in the denominator we have 16 and in the numerator it is 4 plus 9 minus 8. And this becomes equal to square root of 5 divided by 4. Now students, in the question, the coordinates of center of the circle are given as a comma b. So that means a is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and b is equal to minus 3 upon 4. And now we have to find the value of 15ab upon r square. So this is 15 into minus 1 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 4 whole divided upon 5 upon 16. So this becomes equal to 9 upon 8 into 16, or it is finally 80. So that means option C is the correct one. Now students, next question I will discuss in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.